Each one of us is the product of our dreams. What were we exposed to as a kid that allowed us to imagine things that didn't exist in our lives yet? What was right on the very edge of possible when each of us was a little boy or a little girl? In 1969, people actually went to the moon for the first time. Just a few months later, in my home part of the world, at the Ontario Science Centre, a piece of the moon that those two astronauts, Neil and Buzz, had picked up on the moon was actually there at the Ontario Science Centre. And our school took a field trip there, and that same little boy who'd been dreaming of flying in space and maybe going to the moon was suddenly right next to the reality of it. It changed my whole perspective. It turned a fantasy into reality. And seeing that piece of the moon helped cement the idea in my head that maybe someday I could turn myself into an astronaut. Everybody's there to celebrate together, but Dave and Karen and Claire and Sam, thank you for helping everybody celebrate the 50 years tonight. I hope you can sing. What key am I in? Probably A. Happy birthday, the Ontario Science Centre. Happy birthday to you and everybody who's ever been through your doors.